And love you.
Hello, my idol brother-in-law, Tupper Rivas. With 3 years that your business will prosper, and with constantly freer that your retirement will be fruitful and full of contentment. Again, happy birthday and happy retirement.
To my Brad Tupper, happy birthday to you. May all your wishes in life will be granted by our Heavenly Father above. And may your life will be blessed if you will look for the best.
Happy birthday, my idol brother-in-law.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. We love you. We wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. We love you. We wish you all the best. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello, Lord Fair. Happy birthday and happy retirement. God bless.
Sun is out and feeling okay. Hope you have a really good day. Happy birthday, Lolo the Bear.
Happy birthday, Lolo the
Hope you
Bear.
have a good day.
And
hi to everybody in the Philippines.
yeah.
We miss you and love you. And see you soon. See you soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Hi, Uncle Super. We just wish you the best of everything. Good health, happiness, and peace. And maybe this time a success in any business that you have. Salamat, mahal po kayo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Uncle Super. Happy birthday. Happy retirement also. Although this is the end of your career, you open one new book in life again. You still have Papa Jesus and Mama Kading to take care of, and also your grandchild, your grandkids.
Your apo.
Your apo. So now, enjoy your retirement. But you're not retired yet. You still get Papa Jesus and Mama Kading and the kids, okay? Aloha. Thank you.
I know Super. God knows how we appreciate so much helping us, especially to my parents. And thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for helping us or to anybody around you. Kahit sa iyong patawa lang, okay na sa kanila, sa amin. And thank you so much. But anyway, happy birthday and retirement day. We wish to be with you there today, but only our thoughts are with you always. But anyway, we love you so much. From your family here in Hawaii, USA, aloha!
We love you.
We love you. Take care. God bless you.
Bye.
Marie, I wish you a very happy and wonderful 60th birthday today. Happy birthday, Barito Bird.
First of all, I would like to thank God for giving us a wonderful time to gather us to celebrate the 60th and retirement of Father Chris. Me and my family, wishing you always in good health, many more birthdays and blessings to come. God continue to shower His blessings in your business. Above all, the best of your life be with you always with your family. Congratulations and happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Tupper.
And happy retirement.
We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nong. Hope the best for your life and happy changing your tires.
Nong, welcome to the club, the terrible people.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tupper.
Good luck.
God bless and we love you.
Hello, Uncle Tupper. Happy birthday. Hinaot na hatagan pa ko ng taas na kinabuhi. Tapos, nung Tupper, kuhaan yan, ganan na kukan mo kay very supportive ka na first cousin, dali na ka istoryahon, dali na ka duulon, tapos kung sino'y maghangyogan mo na mga karintinako,
maghatag ko dayon. So, amo yan nung na giampo ta tao nga hatagan kagad ng taas pa na kinabuhi.
Ayong adlaw pare. Happy birthday pare. Matagpak ni sa panid sa akong kinabuhi. Atong mahanduraw ang kagahapon na ulos sa mga tipaka sa kalibay ng mga hagit sa atong kinabuhi. Karon adlaw lain daw sab na panid sa kasaysayan sa imong kinabuhi. Hinay-hinay daw sab sa pagkablit ang wirda sa atong nadamgo. Di nagpahiti ang awit sa grasya sa iman. Mag-aampo ako isig imong suod na igsuon o higala. Pananginan ka sa Diyos uban sa imong pamilya, nining adlaw sa imong pagsaulog o sa mga bago-bago. May the Lord continue to bless your family with things that matter most in life. He gave good health, happy home, peace of mind. Once again, happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Ay, sa kakausa pa, happy birthday.
Pray, Friend Super, happy birthday. Nautuntang hatlagan ka pa sa mataas nga kinabuhi. Naman sa inyong mga pamilya, anak, mga ginikanan, yakading, Jesus, yung mahal na patikas, marihirni, kinautunta magpadayon ng imong way pagrubar nga kinaya hangtod sa hangtod. Kaya ako usap, hinaot usap kalimo, hinaot punta, sama sa gihapon, magpabili ng atong pagkabarkada, atong kakumpare.
Happy birthday, pre. Sa pag-retire mo, naot nga tagaan ka na madayon ng panglawas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and happy retirement time also. Laon pa sa 1 Thessalonians 5:18, and everything give thanks, for this is the will of God for you. Salamat Ginoo Christopher sa kinabuhi mo na ipadangat ka sa Ginoo sa edad na dili lamang magsaulog ka sa birthday mo pero malipay ka isab na makaretire ka. Salamat na ang Ginoo yaghatag ka mo ng kusog sa mga katuigan ng mong labay. Yakaservisyo ko agad ng Mandayaw sa probinsya nato sa Surigao del Sur at sa Auditor. Salamat isab sa imong tabang sa pumabulaton sa simbahan, kauban sa imong pinalangga ng asawa, pinalangga ng mga anak, inaw pa na mga panahon ikaw malipayon. Wala na imong huna-hunaon na bulaton sa opisina, na malipayon ka, makarelax ka, enjoy with your loved ones, and once again, happy birthday, Best Friend.